As we watched the spectacle unfold, to our amazement, there was a beaver riding one of the icebergs. It was just surfing right on the front of the wave, and apparently doing just fine as it went around the corner and out of view.
Slip and flow. Yeah.
For fishermen, these events can be really dangerous. More than one person has unfortunately lost their lives due to one of these ice dam breaks on the Roaring Fork River. Be careful out there.
The wind's power sends the waterfall's flow soaring upward, making it look as though the laws of physics are being broken. At the end of each year, an incredible phenomenon occurs on Christmas Island. Over 100 million crabs migrate towards the ocean, a journey that takes them an average of 18 days.